Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Linear for streamlining UI bug triage workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Linear website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to Linear. Next, locate the project where you want to streamline your UI bug triage workflow. Click on the Integrations tab in the sidebar. Scroll down to find the option for subscribing to bug updates. Follow the prompts to connect Linear to your bug tracking tool. Once connected, you will receive notifications for any new bugs reported. Now, go back to your project dashboard. Identify the UI bugs that require triage. Use the filters to sort the bugs by priority or date reported. Click on each bug to view detailed reports. Add comments or assign team members to collaborate on resolutions. Utilize the status options to track the progress of each bug. Regularly review updates and adjust priorities as needed. This setup will help you streamline communication and enhance collaboration within your team. By subscribing to bug updates, you stay informed and responsive to any issues that arise. Your workflow will be much more efficient and organized. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Linear for your UI bug triage process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.